we got minus 4 x to the power of 3 power of 0. Okay, so the first thing we are doing here is we are using this part here. The exponent law is anything to the power of 0 is 1. So this part here, anything to the power of 0 is 1. So it's just going to be 1 minus 4 times 1. So again, this one is a really straightforward one to get us started. Minus 4 times 1 is minus 4. Okay, so this one, we had to know anything to the power of 0 is 1. That's our law for this one. 2.1.2, we have minus 4 x to the 3 to the power of 0. Again, they're just checking you know this law. So anything to the power of 0 is 1. So this whole thing is to the power of 0. So this whole thing, the answer is just 1. 2.1.3, 3 to the power of minus 1, a squared b minus 5. We have to simplify and give our answers as positive exponents. Okay, this one, we can't do too much. 3 to the minus 1, a squared, b5. We can't really simplify this one at all. What we can do is we can write it with positive exponents. So what they mean is this and this, it's got a negative exponents. We want it positive. So how we're going to write it is we keep the a squared at the top. If you want it to be a positive exponent, you take these ones down. So it's going to be 3 to the minus 1. If you take it down, it's going to be 3 to the 1, b to the 5. And you don't really even have to write that 3 to the 1 like that. You can just say a squared over 3b5. There's no reason for you to write that one. Okay, so this one wasn't much simplifying to do. What they were checking you for here is, do you know how to write it with positive exponents? And so it's just to say a to the minus 1. You can write this as 1 over a to the positive 1.